the idea is to just get them to mix into each other to create lots of different shapes, basically.
So we are just screwing the cogs together.
Got this as well.
What is up, everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to our vlog channel. Today, as you can see behind us, it is such a nice day.
Oh, it's literally such a nice day, and it's been like this for about a week.
Yeah, and it's so sad because obviously we're trying to stay in, self-isolate, that's the right thing to do.
Yeah.
And it's just so frustrating, isn't it?
I'm just glad all the wind's gone. That was like the first part of 2020.
Yeah.
Now we've got the coronavirus, but we did redo our fence. I don't know if you can see, just in the corner there, we've got 2 new panels, haven't we?
We need to paint it though, but yeah, like about 2 weeks ago, I don't know if you guys had the same thing, but the wind was just so strong that most of the fences blew over, like all across this sort of area. Speaking of the coronavirus, obviously because of this whole thing, we've had a lot of our travel plans cancelled this year, unfortunately.
Yeah, I mean, we were going to do a lot of traveling this year for this channel, trying to make it more of a travel channel.
Yeah.
It's not the worst thing in the world, you know,
It's
it is
not.
just travel plans.
Yeah.
But we basically should have been in Norway. Really,
Yeah.
well, we should have been in Norway now. We were going to be in Singapore and Bali in May.
Yeah, and we had
And-
so many plans, like
Yeah.
for loads of amazing vlogs for you guys.
We planned out so many amazing video
We're so
ideas.
gutted now, but
So it's like a shame because we really want to make that amazing content, but it's going to have to be delayed, and also
Yeah.
planning our wedding might have to be delayed a little bit
yes,
as well.
exactly. Obviously, as you guys know, in the previous vlog, we were gonna go to Bali to look at like wedding venues and stuff out there, and that's obviously gonna have to be delayed now.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully, I don't know, maybe we'll get there in the summer holidays. I doubt it. Maybe
I don't
September.
know.
I don't know.
It's just very uncertain times right now.
Yeah.
So there's gonna be a lot of vlogs, kind of like homebound. So I hope you guys don't mind.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what to do because I was thinking, well, when we were supposed to go to Norway in a week, we could instead drive to Scotland. And I know you're supposed to be self-isolating, but
Yeah.
it's social distancing. And I was thinking, well, can we drive to Scotland in the car
Yeah.
with the dream case in the car
Yeah.
and stay in the car, bring our own cooking facilities? So we are self-isolating, but in the car.
But just somewhere else, yeah.
There's nothing wrong with going outside as long as you keep your distance. from
Yeah,
people. Like
that's-
if you go
yeah,
for a
that's
walk,
exactly
go
right.
for, you know, do some exercise.
Yeah.
So I wasn't sure. I think that's fine. But anyway, I mean, that's got to be enough about the coronavirus for this channel.
Yeah.
We just think it's probably best just to go on as normal. I know we missed a few weeks. We were like, I don't know, like everyone, we were probably like, what's going on?
Yeah.
But I think we should just try
Just
and go
stay
as normal.
calm and just go as normal, yeah. In today's video, we're going to show you guys the long-awaited ensuite transformation. We did that whole bedroom vlog where you guys obviously saw the whole transformation from start to finish, and we were going to show the ensuite in the next vlog after that, but we never got around to doing it.
Yeah, so in this video we're doing the ensuite, and
Yeah.
there'll be one more video where we do the wardrobe for our bedroom.
Yeah.
And then everything will be done.
Yeah, and
But-
then it's the house tour next.
I know. So anyway, this video we started filming quite a few months ago. So we're going to take you back before Christmas now to the start of this video.
Play flashback.
So we've done a couple of things since the last video. Don't worry, you haven't missed out on much. The first thing is we've just put up this rail here for the door.
Yep.
You know, it's just 4 screws in the wall. We got this from B&Q, I think, didn't we?
Yeah.
And that's for our sliding door, which is going to go on like that.
And this actually hovers above the ground, so you don't have like any scraping on the floor or anything.
Yeah.
Which is great.
Yeah, and
Whoa, Sky! Oh, she's still having to wear the cone, guys.
I know.
But she's getting a lot better now, aren't you, baby?
She is.
Yeah.
The second thing we did was fit a duplicate of basically what we've done over there,
Yep.
but over this side, and that's going to be for toiletries, towels, loo roll, you know, the boring kind of stuff.
Yep.
And we've got a door to make here, and then we're very close to being done, aren't we? Really?
Yeah, I mean, this room, look, I mean, it's pretty much how we left it last time in the vlog, but...
Yeah. Well,
As
actually,
you
we
can
did. We put 2.
Oh yeah, we put
hooks on
those
as well,
up.
which,
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got the shower screen as well that has arrived, so...
Yeah, that's down here.
That's
just
here, and we're going to put that up at some point in this vlog as well, aren't we?
Yeah, but first things first, we're gonna start on the door before
Yeah.
anything else. So this is the door. we've basically had the door cut in B&Q.
Yeah, from MDF. You guys are probably familiar with our MDF DIYs from, you know, doing the walk-in wardrobe.
So we just measured up the door to fit that, and B&Q cut it for us, and we got inspiration from idea from Pinterest.
Yeah, we found this, like, it was called a barn industrial sort of door on Pinterest, where the pattern was kind of like a chevron pattern, like this.
Yeah.
We'll pop a photo on screen to kind of explain it.
We'll leave a link in the description because they'll probably give better instructions than we do.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, we've got the door, and we've got some wooden strips. We've got more downstairs for that.
So basically we're just going to be building that. So for the door we've got some primer, we've got some black satin paint, and also the wood glue to glue on the like beams or battens, whatever you want to call them. We wanted to go for a black door because we wanted to kind of go with the industrial aspect of this bedroom. We've got quite a lot of like black things here, so we thought it would go quite well.
So let's start work on the door then.
Yeah. Okay, so we've just decided to bring the door and the battens downstairs because this is where we're going to be building it and making the cuts so we don't get all the sawdust everywhere in our bedroom.
So first things first, we need to find the halfway point so we know that where all the battens meet in the middle. Okay, we've got our first 45-degree angle cut, and this is where it's going to be going. And then we'll just snip off the end here, and then it's basically just repeating the process over and over again and doing the same on the other side, going the other direction. Yeah. Basically.
Okay, so we're at this sort of stage where we've put a couple of different battens down. The first two battens that we put down were the longest ones that went diagonally like this. We've actually glued them already with the Gorilla Glue and then clamped them down. And then from then on, we just used these little blocks that were offcuts to kind of, you know, figure out the spacing between each batten, and then we started gluing it, and it's actually going pretty well so far.
Yeah,
so
it's pretty like easy from now on.
Yeah, it's really easy. I mean, the hardest two parts were the corners on either end, and then after that it's just simple two cuts. So Matt's just gluing down some of the battens. Once you sort of get in the routine of it and you get the hang of it, it's actually a lot easier, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're gluing them as we go, and then...
And this glue takes half an hour to dry, so...
Yeah, it's pretty quick. Oh, it's much harder by itself. There we go. And then we just put them...
Join up the corner.
Yeah, that's it. Easy as that, really.
Yeah.
And give it a press and move on to the next one.
Alright guys, so it's now back to present day. Yeah. And we're going to show you guys the bathroom.
And the door. So we've finished the door, we've hung it, it's been painted. And also the shower screen, which was just leaning up here, has been
fitted for a while now, obviously. It's been like 6 months since the last video.
And the last thing to do, which will be in the next video, is the wardrobes.
We did say we were going to do that, but we've never gotten around to it, have we?
It's a big task.
It's a big job. Yeah. It's a big cupboard.
Right. So. Well, let's start by showing them the door then, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
So guys, this is the door. You can see we've got the LED strip down here as well, and the rail up there. I love that under the floor LED strip.
I know, it's so nice. Cool. We turn that on very often at night when we're just like watching movies in bed and stuff.
It's like a nice reading light, or kind of like just gives some ambience to the room.
Yeah.
Anyway, the door. How good does it look?
It looks awesome. I'm so happy with it.
The finish is amazing. So the last thing we did was, after finishing all the battens, was we attached a little bit of framework around the outside. We painted it. We've added filler. We sanded it, we added filler, we sanded it, we added filler, we sanded it, and now it is perfectly smooth. And we also added a door handle.
A handle, yeah.
From IKEA.
There you go, you can kind of see it now.
Yeah, oh yeah, because it's all black. So that's a door handle from IKEA. This rail is from Homebase.
Yeah.
Not B&Q.
Not B&Q, Homebase.
And it glides so smoothly.
Slides so across. There we go. We've still got a bit of mess there because we haven't finished all the work, so you can kind of see it.
There's all work to do. There's a stopper up here.
Yeah.
There's a stopper this side.
And there's no runner at the bottom. It just like clears it enough so that it doesn't touch the floor.
Yeah, but we are going to get something to go at the bottom just so it doesn't scrape against the skirting board.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've added this. I don't know if that was there before.
Trimming? No, I don't think it was.
Yeah, a little bit of trim. And yeah, come on in the bathroom.
We want to show you guys the quick before and after just so you get the gist of how far this place has actually gotten. So this is the before. And this is the after. this side. You guys have seen this side already. This is the walk-in wardrobe, and I've actually posted a whole tour of this area, kind of talking you guys through all of my clothing and stuff and how I organized it. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys head over to my main channel.
It's still looking really good.
Yeah.
We have had some teething problems.
Yeah.
We've got a little bit of cracks, so we've got some filler to do.
Yeah, we need
but that's
to do
quite
some
normal.
filler.
So we just need to do some filler and a touch up.
Yeah,
and
but it's
good.
awesome. It looks really great. I'm happy with it.
In your video, you kept saying it's a small space. It's actually quite a big space.
I think it's because I've seen other walk-in wardrobes on YouTube of people, and they have like these massive rooms that are like literally the size of people's bedrooms.
There's all this.
I guess it is big, but
it's not the size of someone's bedroom, but
yeah,
I see what you're saying.
It's like, it looks a lot bigger on camera as well, but to me it is still quite like small, you know? Not that I'm being like bougie, but
no,
especially with like the poof, it takes up a lot of the space on the floor. That's kind of what I meant.
I told you not to order that. When you ordered it, I said we should send it back.
No, because I really like it.
There was a smaller version of it.
No, it's small enough.
Anyway.
It wasn't big enough. So this is that side. Now the ensuite is this side.
There it is.
It's awesome, and we haven't had any trouble with condensation. We've been having this question a lot. People have been saying, how is it that you have your bathroom and your clothes in the same room?
Well,
but it's not an issue.
There's two main deciding factors with that. The first one is the clothing is all the way that side of the room, the shower's this side, and there's a big glass panel right here. And the next reason is we have this giant window.
Yeah.
Condensation rises.
Yeah.
It only goes into the room if it needs to. If it's got a way to escape, or if there's an extractor fan, it will go right out. So
exactly.
We've had this set up for what?
6 months, over 6 months.
Nearly 6 months.
Yeah.
And no
Haven't
damp,
had any issue.
nothing on any clothes.
No.
Not even the glass. See all this glass?
Yeah.
That's the first place you'd see condensation building.
Yeah, there's no issues at all, and a lot of the time actually, like, we don't even open that window. I mean, we know we should, but it's not even been an issue when we don't open the window.
If you have a quick shower, you don't even need to.
No. Like, even we don't even get any condensation on this mirror, which is weird.
It is good. There is very minimal condensation, so thank you for your concerns.
But it's
it actually hasn't really been a problem.
Yeah,
and
which is
like
great.
I said, there are actually 2 of those windows either side, so
yeah,
it's been pretty good. So let's move on. What's new here? We've got the shower screen, as I just said. I like this frosted shower screen. We got this from an online bathroom website. I can't remember which one exactly.
Yeah.
It might have been like Victoria Plumbing or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
The door that we said we were going to do, we made a miniature version of that one. This was actually dead easy to make.
Yeah. Once we had an idea of how to make the first one.
Yeah.
That was easy.
This was easy. Black IKEA handle again. We went for white, and we just thought it tied in really nicely.
Yeah.
We've got this black strip here, which is going to be a waterproof LED strip underneath.
And actually, I think people are going to ask, how is it that you don't get water on there? But we've been having showers, and it's such a big space, like, you don't even get any water out there.
It's bigger than it looks. The water, when you have a shower, it tends to come out to about here. It doesn't even go on the floor.
Yeah.
And it only comes to about here.
Because it does have quite a slope in the shower tray as well.
Yeah, and I don't know, it's too much information. I always kind of face this way, so the water kind of just goes that direction.
Yeah.
It's fine, trust me.
Also, we added this faux plant, which I did also mention in my walk-in wardrobe tour. This is from HomeSense. I think this was like between 60 and 80 pounds or something.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Nice.
We can't have a real plant in here because I'll probably kill it, so that's that. And then obviously on this side we have gone for the same, drawers as in the wardrobe. These are just from IKEA. They're the Pax drawers, and we just keep all of our like essentials, toiletries.
Extra shampoo.
Yeah.
That kind of stuff.
Basically, toilet roll.
Yeah.
And then we have our toilet, very simple. Don't know where we got it from. Where did we get it from? Do you know?
It was, again, one of those online websites, the same as the sink and the mirror, which are very kind of minimalistic.
This sink is awesome, but I wouldn't recommend for anyone to get it because the surface of it is kind of like glass.
It is glass. It is actually glass.
Yeah, it is glass. So when you have like water droplets and the sun is coming in, there's like a shadow cast underneath it, and also it gets dirty so quick.
Well, it depends. If you've got a water softener, it's fine.
Yeah.
If you're in like a hard, what do they call it, hard water area? Like we are, it can be difficult to clean.
Yeah.
But it's a really great, stylish sink, isn't it?
It is really nice. I love it. It's so cool. Yeah, in this whole bathroom, as we did in the main bathroom as well, if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. We've gone for like black accents pretty much everywhere, so
yeah,
it looks cool.
And then the mirror's giant. We were kind of thinking of what? Putting an LED strip behind the mirror so it has a glow around it.
We did think that would be cool, but then it was just way too hard, so we didn't.
Well, it would mean drilling through like a double one, so.
And then we have this little toothbrush holder here. Gotta give it a clean.
It's pretty clean. It's pretty clean.
It's alright. And then we have a toilet holder here as well, but we're running out of toilet roll because we're in the coronavirus pandemic, so like, where are you meant to get toilet roll from?
I know. And for some reason, I don't know, I don't think it's going to cure the coronavirus either.
No, I don't think so. I don't think diarrhea is one of the symptoms.
No, might be. Who knows? We've also got a load of storage behind here. Excuse the mess. So that's really great. It goes all the way in there for suitcases.
And there's another one there.
So yeah, that was one of the things we wanted to make sure when we were thinking, right, built-in wardrobes, but how do we keep the space behind them?
Yeah.
And we managed to do that, which was good. And then kind of the last things which we didn't really talk about was we've got this kind of minimalistic design with a shower.
Yeah, the marble.
This is a, what do they call this? A wall panel?
It's a shower screen, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's a shower wall panel screen, which is a marble effect. And then this is a slate effect shower tray. Yeah,
it kind of has a bit of a texture to it.
This weighed a ton. This is the heaviest item I've ever brought into our house. I genuinely think it is.
It like broke your back.
But that's pretty much it then, really, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. I think overall it's like a pretty good use of the room because beforehand this room was literally just a waste of space, wasn't it?
This room,
there was nothing in it.
It was just an empty room.
Yeah.
When we bought this house, there was a dressing table in it, which had no use.
Yeah.
So, and do you remember we had the ensuite in our bedroom?
Yeah.
So that took up most of our bedroom.
Yeah, so I'm really happy with the result. We did all of this ourselves pretty much.
So we will be doing the wardrobe next.
Yeah.
It's such a difficult challenge. We've never really built a wardrobe like that before. No. I know we built this one, but that one's going to be more difficult.
Yeah.
So we've got to make a start on that.
Yeah.
And
hopefully now with the whole corona thing, we will be having more time in so we can just start it, but we still have to go to the shop to get the wood.
What else have we got upcoming? Like we said, we had so many good video ideas planned for travel.
Yeah.
One video that I was really excited to make was how to travel to Iceland on a budget.
Yeah.
We were planning on doing videos of kind of like how to travel on like a really low budget. So,
yeah, and also like the top things to do in each place that we go to, like top must see things.
Like amazing countries you can go to and are really cheap to go to.
Yeah.
I guess we'll just have to wait to film those videos now.
No, I think we will, once the whole... I kind of predict everything with the coronavirus to die down in the summer. I'm really secretly hoping.
It really depends on people actually taking social distancing seriously.
For sure.
I mean, no symptoms, like they always say, no symptoms for 2 weeks means that you could just have it and you're just spreading it.
Yeah, exactly. So wash your hands, stay in.
Should have been washing your hands anyway.
I know, yeah. I sound like a mum, but
yeah.
So we're hoping to do more travelling later on in the year, hopefully, once this whole thing kind of blows over.
We do have one exciting video coming up. We weren't sure if we were going to make it because we don't really like making those kind of videos, but you'll see what it is in about a week or two time, and it's basically one of our dreams, or one of my dreams and my dad's dreams. It's going to be a good video, I think.
Yeah, I think so. I think you guys are going to like it.
So I don't want to give too much away.
Yeah.
But look out for that.
Yeah, but anyways, that is all for this vlog and the little ensuite tour. Hope you guys enjoyed finally getting to see it.
Yeah, I'm sorry it took so long.
Yeah, it took forever, but...
Really sorry about
it's here now.
Gonna do the wardrobe a lot quicker.
Yeah, hopefully.
I promise.
He said it now, so he's got to. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.
Try and keep yourself entertained, happy. You know, don't get stuck in a rut during these times.
Yeah.
Like we already have. You know, we missed a couple of uploads. We're like, we went through it already. I think we're gonna get your arm's dead.
I know, my arm is dead from holding that camera. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
All right, see you guys. Bye.